Hello, my name is Sophia Russo, and this is my presentation. For my hobby, I love playing video games. I enjoy playing BO4, which is Black Ops 4, Fortnite, and Madden. I also enjoy playing other video games, but these are my top three. Yeah, I spend most of my time playing video games, honestly. Well, my free time that I have. Oops. In this class, I hope to learn how to investigate my interests a little bit more and discover a little bit more about myself and how I like to work things. I also hope to be able to learn more about college and experiences that come with being here. I also expect to learn how to manage time a little bit better. I know we did an activity together in class with the schedule, and that did really help me. And I did it for myself as well. So I'm kind of following it. So I'm pretty glad that we did that together. Something personal that I'd like to share with my professor is that I'm looking forward to ease into finding my purpose a little bit more. By purpose, I mean just career-wise. I'm looking forward to figure out what I want to do.